Hey guys, welcome to the Rewind podcast. I have two really important people with me as guests today. They are relationship experts. They both have amazing YouTube channels, amazing followings, and I wanted to help get some great information out to my clients about their YouTube channels. It's Alex and Apollonia. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
So I have a question that some of my clients sent to me that I want to just ask you because I told them that I was going to be talking to you. In our patient questionnaire, we often encounter clients who attribute a high percentage of their stress levels to significant others. How real are these? And what do you recommend in these situations where someone feels that someone's getting too much stress from their partner, and then that probably rolls over, I guess, into also their intimacy as well?
It's a great question.
Yeah, that's a good question, but I feel it's true, you know, because in our life we want to please our partner. That's the first person on the line, and we tend also, if we are in burnout professionally or if we're missing our family, you know, with COVID, everything is going on in the world. We put everything on our shoulders, partners. So I will feel that it's normal to feel stress from our partner.
Right.
And if it's the case, seeing a relationship expert will be my best advice, because you know sometimes we try to give advice to everyone, but some situations are very specific, right? But I feel, and would you agree, I think on this, it's like open communication. When you communicate with someone, you can save every relationship. You can just make your relationship better. But if you keep everything for yourself and one day you explode, that's where the relationship are going to break up and divorce. So I would say you need some time to seek some help if you feel so stressed by your partner.
Yeah, I think it's, you know, one of the common themes you hit around is communication. And we hear that on our side as well, in terms of, I feel like the people we see are having a hard time communicating their issues with their partner.
Sure.
It's like a secret.
Yep.
Yeah.
Like they don't want to tell their wives or significant others that their libido is low. Or even as a female, I can tell that some of them don't want to tell their husbands.
Yeah.
That
They're just because they're scared to disappoint them. You know, like they're scared to disappoint them, or they're scared to be abandoned by their partner. They're scared they're going to leave the partner. They're going to stare that they're going to think less of them. But I think it's really it's beyond the communication. I think it's relationships is really important, and marriage, partnerships, whatever it is just to understand that relationships and partnerships are not just about being together. Like it's just not, right? Because if it was just about being together, it would be so boring, right? So relationship, you go through seasons as people, right? And it's really important that as you transition in your new season, your partner is at least aware of it. And that's how you guys start to separate. Oh, I just changed. Oh, I just grew out of this partnership. Oh, I just grew out of this relationship and marriage, right? And so what I always think is really important to start your communication again is start with silly questions, right? Like I can ask Alex anything. I can just say something like, babe, what do you think about this and this? And he's like, you ask the weirdest questions at the weird times. But the reason why I do that is because I know it's so important for me to just be as honest in whatever is in my head, because not only what happens there is it creates trust, right? Because if I can ask anything to my partner, why wouldn't he be able to trust me at the same time, right? Especially coming from a secure place, a man that's coming and a woman that's coming from a secure place. So communication starts with the simplest things. It's not always about communicating problems. It's about communicating ideas. It's about communicating what's going on in your life, like questioning and understanding what your partner thinks about this. What are their views on this? What are their views on this? And trying to just really question to understand.
Great. Well, guys, thank you for being on the show. I'm hoping that they will come back and enjoy the view and film again.
Yeah.
And if you guys don't follow, I'm going to put their links. I'm not good at my videos yet of telling people that I have all of the links in the bottom, but I'm going to put the links to their YouTube channels and to their social media. They give out amazing advice. I think everyone would be served by watching their videos and following them. And thanks, guys, for having been on the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.